Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? Please excuse the rooster in the background. You know, what are you gonna do? I want to show you an interesting item. This company, they made the Life Do grill, which I'll link below. But they sent me a little something I want to show you. And it's this. It is a step. It's a step for your truck or your car. And how it works. Alrighty, so what it is you have this hitch right here. And you hook this on, and you can use it as a step to get up on top of your vehicle. Now, I actually wrote some specs down. It comes in yellow, red, or black. I think I like the red better because of the high visibility. It's 230 grams in weight, so 8.11 ounces. It will hold 430 kilograms of weight, which is 947 pounds according to Google. I mean, that's a lot of weight. I mean, now I don't know how much weight this will hold, but you know, that's got some pretty serious nuts in there. So it'll allow you to step up and get to the top of your car. Now it's T6106 aircraft aluminum, and I already mentioned the colors, which I think I like the red. So of course I gotta step up on it and see if I bust my ass. But alrighty. Now, like I said, I don't have a rack on my vehicle, but if I did, this might be a slick way to get to the top. And I'm not the best shape for this, but screw it. So you guys have seen how heavy I am, so I don't really have anything to grab onto, though. And that's all my body weight. There's nothing up here to hold, though, like a rack or something. So yeah, as you can see, it will hold my weight. Well, for the most. So yeah, if I had a rack up here, I could reach it, or if I'm just washing the top of the truck. Now I'm not standing fully on it because I don't have anything to hold on to. But if I had a rack, or I was just trying to wash or wax, it gives me something to put my foot on so I can stabilize myself. I got tree sap and stuff. Or if I'm trying to get these lights working, which they don't, but I know a lot of guys have lights and a lot of guys have racks, so it might be a good way to get to the top of your vehicle and actually be able to reach things. So here's a bit better look at it. As you can see, it didn't really pull on the bolts at all. You know, my last Jeep, before my current one, I had a 4-door and I had a rack on it, so I could use this on either one of the 4 doors to get to the top for tie downs or whatever. And when I'm done with it, I just have to store it away and then, you know, just keep it in the tote of my vehicle. And you know, it's a lot. I was gonna bring it with me and I forgot to grab it. But you know, if you brought a ladder with you, you'll have a ladder at home, but you might not want to bring a ladder out to the woods or your destination. But you know, that will fit probably anywhere. So I'll link the description down below, and you guys can go check it out, see what the cost is. I forgot the cost. I want to say about 20 bucks. I'll throw it on the screen somewhere. Well, there you go. There's the Doorstep. I think it's kind of an interesting product. Probably would come in handy for whatever you're trying to do. Like I said, I don't have a rack on my truck, but if I did, and I don't know if I mentioned, but the base here has a rubber end to this, so you don't have to worry about dinging up your paint. You just keep that in the back of your tote next to my gloves. All right, make room for it right here next to my tacked under gloves. Sweet. Good times.